Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Tonight I'm doing my video on a teen's gift. This is a teen male gift. I'm also on the back of my patio, so you may hear a dog barking, birds chirping, blah, 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 blah. All right, so I'm going to start off with this gift that was a carryover from Valentine's. I made 6 or 8 of these. You guys might have saw them. And this one did not sell. Everyone else did sell. I was showing you the price tag. It was $30 for this gift, but I'm going to undo this gift and add it to a previous item that I have to make it a complete Easter basket for a teenager. So let me just bring over the other piece that I'm going to add to it, which is a refrigerator. So a lot of you guys got the refrigerators from Dollar General. It has been on my wish list, my purple unicorn, to find one for a penny. I have never done that, but I am just going to allow me to use just this one here, which is one that I got from Family Dollar. Now, I remember these were like $10 and they went down to $7.50, but I hold out until I found one for $5. So the refrigerator is $5, and I'm going to undo this gift and add this gift to it. And I also am going to add one other item that I had in my stockpile. So I'm going through here. I'm going to take this gift out. And I don't know if you guys recall me making this, but there is a video of me making this gift here, and it had on there a pair of socks, and one of those gift sets, one of these car scent things in a cherry scent. So it's like a car air freshener. One of my candles that I found for a penny, mahogany teak wood. And I'm going to show you, I just left the price tag on there. It's a $2 candle. I didn't feel like taking it off, and it's just a filler item. That chocolate that I'm not going to use, as well as one of these gift sets that I got for 25 cents. No, 50 cents. They were originally $5 and I got them for 50 cents from Walmart. So I'm going to add that there. And then I'm just going to put the pieces on how I see fit. Keeping all the pieces except for that Hershey's Kiss chocolate. So I'm going to add the socks here, and they're going to rest on one of those air fresheners. I'm going to put the candle back here, right there in the front. And then I am going to add, what am I going to add here? I'm going to add the air freshener so that the candle can rest on there. Not the candle, the socks. I'm going to put that underneath the socks, so it gives it just a little bit of height there. And then I am going to add some grass or some other filler items here. And I'm just pointing out how the blue matches the socks there. And I'm going to add this play set. I don't really know what this is, but it's Falcons theme, Atlanta Falcons theme. So I'm going to add that there. And I think I end up turning it around so where you can see it in the back. Yes, and I decided to turn it all around so you can see it in the back, and then to add the rest of the items in the same fashion up front. I'm going to get some grass here and put the grass down, and it's going to take me a while to hunt that grass because, as you may remember, it's on that shelf behind me, and so I have to go kind of underneath the table to find that grass. So I'm going to add that. Bear with me here, and then I'm going to add some snacks. So I'm just taping this into place here, adding some tape on the back side, and then I'm going to add some on the side as well just to stabilize it. And then I'm going to put that grass in the front, but add another piece of tape here in the front just to stabilize it so it doesn't move around. And then I'm going to add some more of the grass. So I'm just going to bear with me here while I figure this out. And then I had some of these little bags, and I was going to add my snacks inside this bag just to kind of give a more Easter feel. I was going to put a Gatorade in here so they'll have something to put in their little mini fridge. Also, this mini fridge has Bluetooth capability, so it's a speaker as well as a 6-can mini fridge that you could add beverages to. So I thought that was nice to have in like the teenagers' room if they're playing video games or just wants to play some music and have snacks or drinks in their bedroom. So I'm going to do that here. I am trying to add some stuff into this bag, but I will go ahead and tell you that after I did this, it was too tall for the gift in the bag that I wanted to put it in. So I didn't have a bag that was wide enough or tall enough to go in there. Either it was going to be way too big or way too small. So I just decided against using this little Easter bag. So this whole execution was just for no need whatsoever. So I'm not going to use that Easter bag at all. But follow me through and you'll see the end result at the end here, okay? And this is what the end result looks like. I did not use any red because I wanted to use some green. So I didn't want it to look like Christmas, so I just did green and blue to match the socks, and the body spray is blue as well. So there's the falcon thing on the side, the back. Socks, candle, air freshener, and some body spray. And I did put that Gatorade in there as well. All right, you guys, have a good night.